Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we dive deep into the world of software to help you make smarter decisions. Today we are taking a detailed look at Sage Intacct, a powerful cloud-based financial management software that has been gaining a lot of traction among finance teams, especially in mid-sized businesses. But is it really worth the investment? Let's find out. Sage Intacct is a cloud-based financial management and accounting solution that is designed primarily for medium to large-sized businesses and finance professionals who need more than just basic bookkeeping. So, what are its main use cases? Its main use cases include general ledger accounting, accounts payable and receivable, cash management, multi-entity consolidations, budgeting and forecasting, and even subscription billing. If you check on the solution, you get to see um, the solutions they offer. You know, if you are in construction, if you're in construction industry, financial service, healthcare, hospitality, manufacturing, um, retail, wholesale distribution, and a lot of other industries, you can actually use SageIntacct for your accounting needs. Now, when it comes to the business need of SageIntacct, you get to see accounting software, accounting app, pay automation, business intelligence, and a whole lot of software. So Sage Intacct is known for helping organizations streamline financial operations and ensure compliance and gain deep insight into their financial data in real time. So before we go deeply into before we touch on the features of Sage Intacct, let's discuss the UI and user experience. The user interface is clean, as you can rightly see, professional and functional, but not flashy, right? It is clearly designed for business users, not consumers. So don't expect the aesthetics of a mobile banking app. All right. Navigation is logical with a dashboard-based approach that offers quick access to reports, tasks, and key metrics. As you can see, you can easily access whatever options um, you want to play with on the website. Okay, so easily you can access anything you need from the website without having to go through so many clicks before getting what you want. However, there is a learning curve, especially for those coming from simpler tools like QuickBooks. New users might find the interface a bit dense at first, but finance professionals will appreciate the level of control and depth. Alright, now let's take a deep dive into the features and capabilities of Sage Intacct. Some of its standard features include multi-entry and global consolidations with support for different currencies, tax laws, and accounting standards. That's number one. Then also, its powerful reporting tools like customizable dashboard and real-time performance metrics, and also automation of core financial process such as procure to pay and order to cash cycles. It also has a robust audit trails and compliance features for GAAP, that is GAAP, also for SOX and more. Now, compared to alternatives like QuickBooks, Sage Intacct offers much more depth and customization, making it ideal for companies with complex financial structures or regulatory needs. Now let's talk about the performance and reliability of Sage Intacct. Performance-wise, Sage Intacct is fast, reliable, and cloud native. In my testing, reports load quickly, even with larger data sets, and tasks like consolidations or data imports happen without noticeable lag. All right. There are occasional hiccups, especially when integrating third-party apps or during peak usage, but nothing that would cripple daily operations. All right. It is built to scale, so whether you are managing 2 or 200 interests, it can keep up. All right. Now that is it. Then for the integration and compatibility, Sage Intacct integrates well with Salesforce. It integrates well with ADP. It integrates well with Bill, that's bill.com. Also, it integrates well with Expensify and many others through open APIs. It's, it supports web access and runs smoothly on both Windows and macOS environments. There's also mobile access, though the experience is limited compared to desktop. So if you want to get a full experience of the Sage Intacct, definitely want to go for the desktop version of it. If you're a developer or using custom software, the API availability is a huge plus for building tailored solutions. Okay, so that is it for the integration and compatibility. Then let's discuss the pricing. Now, as for the pricing, here is where things get tricky. Sage Intacct does not list its pricing publicly, which is often a red flag for smaller companies. Pricing is custom quoted based on modules and user needs, but it typically starts around $15,000 to $20,000 annually. And to put it straight, there's no free version, and most advanced features come at additional cost. So yes, it's an investment, but if your company needs high-level financial management, the return on investment can be justified. Okay, then that is it. So let's discuss the support, and community. Support-wise, Sage Intacct offers phone and email support. Okay, Sage offers phone and email support, and they have a robust knowledge base. They also have live webinars, guides, and training. All right. So as for the response time, it varies, but premium support packages offer faster SLAs. Okay. The user community is active, and Sage sponsors events and forums where finance and professionals can share insights, templates, and best practices. All right, this is the resource center. Okay, for Sage Business Cloud, Sage 50 accounting. So they have a resource center, and also here master the full power of your software with comprehensive learning resources. So they have resources for you to learn Sage Intacct. Now let's touch on the security. If you come to trust and security, when it comes to trust and security, Sage Intacct takes data security seriously. It includes role-based access controls, audit logs, um, SOC 1 and SOC 2 compliance, encryption at rest and in transit. It also undergoes regular third-party security audits, which is a major plus for companies in regulated industries. Okay, so um, when it comes to the security aspect of Sage Intacct, you can be confident that you can trust your financials with them. Then let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of Sage Intacct. As for the advantages, it is powerful and scalable for growing businesses. It has excellent automation and financial reporting tools. It has strong security and compliance support, and it also has seamless multi-entity management. Okay, these include steep learning curve for non-accountants, expensive and opaque pricing. Mobile experience is basic and it requires setup and training to get the most out of it. So those are the disadvantages. So on a final note, uh, is it a good fit for you? Should you use Sage Intacct? Well, if you're a finance leader in a growing or multi-entity business and you need advanced reporting, audit controls and automation, Sage Intacct is an excellent choice. But then, if you're a startup or small business looking for a simple, budget-friendly accounting tool, you might be better off with QuickBooks, Zero, or Wave. So, what's my recommendation? My recommendation is that if your business complexity demands serious financial management and you have the budget, Sage Intacct is absolutely worth considering. But be ready for the implementation training phase. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more software deep dives, and let me know in the comments what tool you want me to review next. See you in the next one. Thank you.